Oh, you're seeing if you could mute it? You can plug it in to your headphones so you don't drive your customer crazy. But the ones like the Shure Trace, so I want to show you the difference of this because I get this question a bunch. And I'm trying to think, where is my circuit tracer right now? Oh man, I did a service call 2 days ago and I used my Klein tool runner. It might be in my Klein tool runner. Let me see here. But I pulled it out. We gotta find the ET450. The ET450 is what we're looking for. I don't think I put it back in this cabinet. Okay. All right, so check this out. We're able to pinpoint this. And someone's going to say, well, if I've got a circuit tracer, why do I need a toner? This is going to get you close. This is going to get you pinpoint accuracy. So these are useful, but not near as useful as a toner when you're really trying to trace down a circuit. So what's good about this Klein Digital is that you can unplug the leads, you can replace the leads, and it's just a way better system with the digital. Also, you get more sensitivity lights, things like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the red and the black again because this plugs right into the extension cord. And I'll show you why this is better, because we could plug this into the neutral if we wanted to, but this works better. So we're going to use this as our ground. The red is the ground, keep that in mind. And in this case, our black is going to be our hot. And if you plug in voltage, this thing will show you have voltage. But we're going to use this thing basically in toner mode the same way. So we're going to turn this on. We're going to bump this down to level 1, as we should. We're going to hold this button to turn on the light. Sorry, I had to push the button to turn on the light. My bad. Push the button to turn on the light. Dial this down to level 1. We know that this is our wire here. This one right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull all these out of the way. Put them all over here. And we're going to put this one over here, if it'll stay. Perfect. We're going to dial this in just like we did the tracer or the toner, and we're going to push this up until we get to at least a 99, 98. Perfect. 4 clicks. See that? 4 clicks. Level 4. Level 3 does what? Not enough. 4 clicks, level 4, 99. If I unplug this ground, watch what happens. We're only at 50%. So we lost half of our signal strength just by unplugging this ground. Plug this back in. Still at level 4. Come over here. 99. That's how much the ground helps.